Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Live Translate on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To enable this feature, you're gonna have to open Settings on your smartphone, then in Settings open Galaxy AI menu, and from here go to Call Assist. Then in Call Assist you're gonna have to select your language in the language list right here, and then you can also select the voice of the speaker and adjust the speed of the voice. You can also mute your voice during the translator speaking, and for other person do the same. So select their language, select their voice here and adjust the speech rate. And you can also mute other person's voice while they're speaking. After that, you're gonna have to simply make a call. So open the phone application, then make a call to someone, and while speaking, you're gonna have to tap the call assist icon, which look like three dots or button, then tap Live Translate to activate this feature for that call, and then just speak normally in your language, and your phone will play a translated voice to the other person, and you'll see on-screen captions for both sides in your language and theirs. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.